Okay. Okay, for our first game is Tagalog word or Tagalog sentence. You will translate in English. Wow! And each correct answer, ayan, bawat tamang sagot, may premyo. Pipili kayo ng isang baso na naglalaman ng mahiwagang papremyo. Handa na ba kayo? Handa na ba? Handa na! Pero may karampatang karusa sa bawat maling sagot. Okay, ready na ba? Okay, for our first question. Huwag ka na magtampo.
Ready, set, go!
Don't be tough.
Next! Again, the sentence is, huwag ka na magtampo.
Timer starts now!
Don't be mad.
4, 3, 2, 1. Mali! Sagot!
Okay, next! Hindi, lahat muna sasagot. Okay, bago ibigay ang sagot. Again, huwag ka na magtampo. In fact,
Don't be shy. Don't be
4, 3, 2, 1.
hey, that is wrong. Again, the sentence is, huwag ka na magtampo.
nag-angkop. I love you na lang lahat.
Okay, mali ang sagot. Again, the sentence is, huwag ka na magtampo.
Sorry na.
Nagsasarili na sila. Again, the sentence is, huwag ka na magtampo. Okay, may isa pa. Okay, so the correct is, meron pa. Okay, the sentence is, huwag ka na magtampo.
Don't get upset. Don't sulk. Iba talaga ang beer brand.
Yes, bunot lang po. Pili and then bunot. Okay, yes. Ano ang ating prize? Ang prize ay chocolate! Wow! Smart! Okay, for the next sentence. Okay, pila again, pila. Okay, next. Okay, the next is nakakapagpabagabag.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hassle.
Roll!
Okay, next. Again, the word is nakakapagpabagabag.
Don't panic, is everything under control.
Ayun. It's wrong. Again, the word is... Yes. Again, the word is nakakapagpabagabag.
Hassle. Hassle.
That is wrong. Next. The word is nakakapagpabagabag. And time is up. Okay, next. Again, the word is... the word is... okay. Sige, next na. The correct answer is worrisome. Worrisome. Okay, next.
Yung pangalawa sa
Okay. The sentence is, may nahipo akong mamasa-masa.
I'll touch birthday. I thought a small river.
Wrong. Okay. Again, may nahipo akong mamasa-masa.
I touch big mountain slippery.
Okay, next, the third one. Again, may nahipo akong mamasa-masa.
Don't touch my birdie.
That is wrong. Okay, the correct answer is, meron pa? Baka may sagot pa. May nahipo akong mamasa-masa.
I'm touching it.
Closest ang sagot. Okay, ang correct answer is, I touch... I touch something wet. Pero touching yung sige, closest na ang sagot. Pwede na yun. Congratulations! Hindi na daw kinaya. Okay. Paborito. Tan tararan, tan 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 tan. 200 pesos! Wow! Meron iyong prize! Next! Dulo. Oo. Magpapalit tayo ng category. Ayan. So, general knowledge. Mas mahirap yun. Okay. Okay, as of 2022, who is the current president of the Philippines?
Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr.
Yes! Congratulations! Okay, ang sagot ay si Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos. Okay, ang prize ay tan 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 200 pesos! Woohoo! Next, ang tanong. Ang sag... Okay. Ayan. The national anthem of the Philippines was composed by Julian Felipe with lyrics adapted from a Jose Palma poem. The original title was Marcha Nacional Filipina. Today it is casually known as Bayang Magiliw and more formally by which name that means the chosen land in English. What is it? Hello. Again. What is casually known as Bayang Magiliw and formally by which that is the chosen land in English? What is it?
Lupang init.
Okay, that is correct. Okay, Twile. Walang laman ako. Sayang yung tamang sagot ng prize ay organizer! Yay! Woohoo! Wow, organizer! Pink na pink! Okay, next question.
Balik ako!
Camisa Fuera was the old Philippine Spanish name for what embroidered traditional formal shirt?
Barong.
Okay, that is correct. Barong is the answer. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, congratulations. Next. Okay, next. Sing the song Bahay Kubo.
Allah! Bilis na.
Kahit kubo, kahit kunti, ang sanyo ay sari-sari, ang kabasakali, iyak sa mani, sitaw, pataw, patani, sundoy, patula, bubod, kalabasa, at saka meron pa laman mustasa. Dito'y puro nila. Pinakanta lang ako eh.
Ang tanong, pang-ilan ang bataw?
Pagdalawa.
Mali! Next! Pang-ilan ang bataw?
6.
Okay, tama! Nabigla yun. Hindi nakapagpila. Okay, ang prize ay tan 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 tan. Ang tamaan ako. Meron. Ano yan? Okay, that is. Ayan! Ang sweet naman! Okay. Pero si Kuya, meron pa rin prize kasi kumanta at sumayaw pa. Na. May sing and dance. May back may back-up supportive. Ang prize ay tan 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 tan. Oh, wow! Back knife! Congratulations! Ulit daw. Okay, next. Okay, White Beach and Puka Shell Beach are two of the dozens beaches on which little island in the central Philippines.
Boracay.
Boracay is correct. Bora Bora. Okay, the prize is ten 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 ten. Woo! Tumalsik nga lang. Okay, pouch. Ay, girl na girl. Ay. Ay. Next. What is abbreviated as PHP, which is equivalent to 1 unit in what currency used in the Philippines?
Philippine peso.
Philippine na peso.
Philippine peso.
Philippines. Philippine peso.
Okay, that is correct. Philippine peso. Okay, the price is dun, 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 dun. Chocolate. Lagi siya may bunot na chocolate. So, wow! Next. Next. One of the most famous dishes from the Philippines, which is meat marinated in soy, vinegar, garlic, and blended herbs and spices. Okay, adobo is the correct. Mali daw. Jumbo adobo. Jumbo. Wow! Okay. The price is dun 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 to the world. Lunchbox. Woohoo! Hindi na siya bababa. Okay, next. What Filipino fast food brand sells Chicken Joy?
Jollibee.
Yay! That is correct! Oh, sayaw daw muna! Hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Jumbo hotdog, kaya mo ba to? Jumbo! Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to? Kaya mo ba to?
Kukunin ko sa Singapore.
200 pesos! Congratulations! Next choice. Okay. Next, what is a 5-petal white flower called Arabian jasmine that is the national flower of the Philippines?
Manila.
And that is wrong. Okay. Alright, next. Again, what is a 5-petal white flower called Arabian jasmine, which is a national flower of the Philippines?
Sampagita.
Okay, that is correct. The answer is Sampaguita. Okay. The price is dun 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 100 pesos. Congratulations. Okay, what international competition has been won by women from the Philippines on 4 occasions? Gloria Diaz, Margie Moran, Pia Wurzbach, and Catriona Gray. Oh, that is wrong. bronze has been won by women from the Philippines on 4 occasions. Gloria Diaz, Marty Moran, Pia Wurzbach, and Catriona Gray.
Thank you for the wonderful question. Miss Universe!
Tama, that is correct. Miss Universe. Okay, what is the prize? Your prize is dun 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 dun. Oh, vacuum filled, not tumbler. Okay, congratulations. Next question. Okay, next question. What is the name of the Filipino boxing legend who won 8 world titles in different weight divisions? Balita. Assignment yan. Oh, Mami Janisha daw ang sagot. Of course, that is correct. Congrats. Okay, your prize is tan 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 straw. Wow! Ang ganda naman. Congratulations. Next question. What is the name of the Filipino dish made with roasted pig?
Lachari.
Okay, that is correct. Oy, buhay pa daw yung 1,000. 1,000. Okay. Ano, baka chocolate ulit.
Grabe naman. Diabetes naman yung bibigis. Ano, walang laman.
Okay, your prize is tan 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 tan.
Glass jar with chocolate.
Last jar. Congratulations.
Ayaw na daw.
Okay, next question. Who is or what is the name of the first Philippine president? Okay, that is correct. Okay, your prize is
Chocolate.
chocolate. Dun, 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 dun. House and lot. What is that? Chocolate. Congratulations. Ay, nagbabawal. Okay, next question. What is the traditional Filipino martial art that uses stick and sword? Okay, that is correct. Arnis is the answer. Your prize is the classic tumbler. May laptop and tablet. Kompleto na. Congratulations. Next. Keep going. What is the name of the active volcano located in the province of Albay, Philippines?
Volleyball King.
Yes, that is correct. That is correct. Ano nangyari?
Salibo yan, salibo. Wala na.
The prize is ten, 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 100 pesos. Next question. What is the name of the Filipino dessert made with shaved ice, milk, and various sweet toppings?
Halo-halo.
That is correct! Halo, halo! Ah! Ano na ang prize? The prize is 100 pesos! O, nag-iisa na lang. Hoy! Sino kaya ang makakasagot? Ay! Oh, pa-buenas! Pa-buenas! Pa-buenas!
Bebe, kapag nirute tayo, magdilita si Jollibee. Kasi Jollibee ang very happy. Parang tayo ba?
Okay, the question is, the St. Joseph Parish Church in Las Piñas, Philippines, has an organ with pipes and keys made from what hollow, tubular, evergreen? Again. The St. Joseph Parish Church in Las Piñas, Philippines has an organ with pipes and keys made from what hollow, tubular, evergreen?
Ano? Pampuno. Ay, ba?
That is wrong. Uncle. Question.
Bamboo.
Very good. Ang galing naman ni Uncle. May sagot si Uncle. That is correct. Now kay Uncle pa napunta yung 1,000. Okay. What is the prize? That's something good. 1 million. Naku, si Uncle. That is a lunch box. Congratulations, Uncle. Congratulations, everyone. Lahat ba may prize? Yay! Congratulations. Oh, girls naman daw, girls.
Yeah, thank you.